Laging may mga water bottles. Bakit ganun? Nadala nga nila to pababa, tapos hindi nila madadala pa taas. Tapos i-share nyo yung documentary ni Cara David. Magagalit kayo sa LGU. Tapos kayo naman magkakalat kayo. Ay, nakakainis.
Come and join me to the one of the most beautiful falls in Laguna.
Bonus! We're gonna pick up some trash along the way. Let's go!
Let's hit the road. From Tayabas, nag-drive ako papuntang Lokban at dumaan ako sa bypass road papuntang Barangay Gagalot, Mahayhay, Laguna. Kumaliwa ako at nag-drive ng 10 minutes pataas hanggang makarating ako sa Barangay Hall ng Taytay at nagbayad ng 50 pesos. Pagkarating ko ay nilabas ko na ang aking pinakapaboritong purchase, the gripper.
So that I can pick up garbage along the way. And I see one already. Sad, no? Ano mo yun? Pag wala ka pang nakikitang basuran, di dalahin mo hanggang makakita ka. Kaya magdala ka ng plastic bag. So sad. Napaka-irresponsible. Yun yung pet feed ko. And we're here. It's Banahaw. Tulokban.
Sana binabasa to ng mga turista, no?
And I'm here sa Taytay Falls here in Mahayhay, Laguna. At I will do a mindfulness activity which is breathing and then ice cold plunging in the ice cold water. I mean, ice bath is good, but being here is a different level. Ano yun? Iba yung feeling, nakaka-relax, tapos surrounded sa parang napakagandang nature. And the waterfalls, grabe. So, you have a chance, sobrang must-see talaga itong Taytay Falls. Sulit, sobra. As in, and look at the water! Sobrang clear. Wala siyang mga debris or dayak, sabi nga sa amin. Look! Amazing. Huh? And now, I'm gonna pick up some garbage. Naisip ko, sometimes I feel that my actions are insignificant compared to the problem. Especially, Philippines is the top 1 contributor of plastic pollution. So, naisip ko, I'll do a trash count para malaman ko kung gaano kalaki yung impact na nagagawa ng isang tao when you do something about the problem. Diba? Alright, let's go. Always the cigarette butt. Ay, ito talaga yung nakaka-frustrate pag pumupunta sa mga local destination dito sa Pilipinas, laging may mga water bottles. Bakit ganun? Nadala nga nila to pababa, tapos hindi nila madadala pa taas. May mga basurahan naman sa paligid. Ay, nako. Tapos i-share nyo yung documentary ni Cara David. Magagalit kayo sa LGU. Tapos kayo naman magkakalat kayo. Ay, nakakainis. So, this is 70 pieces of garbage. As much as possible, when I'm going to a place, I'll leave it better. Besides, this is not ours. We're just steward of God. Even if it's a small act, I know it's gonna make a difference, especially when a lot of people do it. So be a responsible tourist or traveler, visitor, and make the space better for everyone. Ayan. See you in the next video. Mwah.